Hello everyone, myself Mayur Randive and this is my fourth do-it-yourself lab assignment. In this assignment there are two parts. So in the first part of this assignment we will be working with the Proteus software. To be more precise, we will be working with the motor shield simulation of the Proteus software. In this simulation you can see that we will be working with the L298 IC. In this IC there are two motors, but for our experiment we will be working only with one of the motors. So output 1 and output 2 will serve as the output for our motor, and ion 1, ion 2 and ENA are going to serve as our input pins. So in pin number 12 is going to serve as input for ion 1 and also one of the input to XOR gate, and pin number 8 is going to act as another input for XOR. The final output of this XOR gate will act as the input for ion 2, and the ENA is connected with pin number 4, and this pin number 4 is later on connected with pin number 6. So basically in this experiment we are going to control the RPM of our motor with the help of our input pins. So pin number 12 will change the direction of the current, and that is it will change the direction of motion of this motor, and pin number 8 is going to act as the brake for this simulation. So for this simulation to happen, firstly we'll write the code in under the source code. So as you can see that I had already written this code and I had also added the comments to the code to had a better understanding. So in this code, firstly I had set the PWM value to be 200. That is, it will had a fixed RPM after running the simulation. Then later on, after writing this code, I had compiled it. Now let us go to the schematic capture and start the simulation. So you can see that the motor had started rotating slowly. So as we had set the PWM value to 200, so it will attain a fixed value of RPM after few times. So you can see that the motor had started rotating, and the RPM is also increasing. So after few time the RPM will be stabilized to a fixed value. So let us wait for the motor to attain a fixed value. So you can see that the motor has stabilized to a value of 34.9 RPMs. So we can also change this RPM value by changing the value of PWM in our code. So this was our first experiment. Second part of the assignment, we will be using the Node-RED interface. So in this interface I had created two programs. For the first program I had selected the slider from the dashboard, then labeled it and set its range to 0 to 100. Then after that I had connected the slider to the gauge through the wire and also set the range to 0 to 100 of the gauge and also added color gradient to it. Then for the second part program, I had labeled it as gas pressure controller and set its range to 0 to 50. In order to show both the program in the same window, we will keep the group of the programs same. Then later on I had connected this slider to the chart and set the type of the chart to be a bar type. Then I had also again set its range to 0 to 50, and then after creating the program we will deploy it, and after deploying it we will go to the Node-RED interface, and in this window you can see that both the programs are created and are shown in the same window. So you can see that the program is running, and in the water level controller you can also see the color gradient. So this was my fourth DIY lab assignment. Thank you.